Hi guys, I know that I've done a video about this before, but I want to talk about it again to you. I want to talk to you again about why I think the ACCA is such an amazing qualification to have. The first thing that I want to tell you is that it has international and Indian recognition. So if you're planning to stay here or go overseas to work eventually, this has you covered. The second thing is the lack of restrictions that we have with regards to the ACCA. You can work in jobs with regards to financial management, you can work, which is very wealth creation, those types of stock market jobs. You can work in corporate jobs with audit and tax. You can start your own business. There are so many things that you can do with this qualification that it's actually amazing. In one of my initial videos, I've told you how many things that I'm doing, and it's all because I've actually done the ACCA. I feel like it's a passport to do whatever else you want to do in your life. And the third thing is that it's very doable. There are 4 sittings in a year. So even if you give 2 papers in every sitting, you're finished in 2 years, which is pretty amazing to have a professional qualification like this. Lots of things that I think are amazing about doing your ACCA. Many people have questions with regards to ACCA or CA, and it's very on par with the CA if you end up wanting to work in India. So that's not something you should worry about. So we've dealt with why ACCA. In a nutshell, I've done this in a bigger video previously, but this is a nutshell. Now, why Zell? We are in COVID situations. We do have the opportunity to choose the tutors that we want because anyways, we're doing everything online. Zell has world-class tutors. Almost all of the tutors are rankers themselves in whatever paper they teach, and they have produced rank-holding students many a times. So world-class tutors. Secondly, Zell has just created their own materials. So they have their own study text, they have their own exam kit. These are very simple exam-focused materials, which I think is amazing as opposed to reading a 1,000-page study text and having none of that actually tested in the exam. These materials have been created based on what actually comes in the exam, so I think that that is absolutely amazing. I'm not just saying so because I've created some of the tax materials myself. And the third thing as to why Zell, there is amazing support. I don't think a student can message without getting a reply. If they don't get a reply, they kind of escalate it a little bit, but you're always there. We're always there for you guys to help you guys. So ACCA definitely and Zell definitely. If you do have anyone that you want to refer, or if you want anyone to have a demo lecture or a little more information about the ACCA, please feel free to email me or message me. I'm going to put my email address and my number in the description of this video. And you're more than welcome to have anybody ask questions, do an inquiry, sit for a demo lecture to see what the ACCA is like. But it is something to have.